Hey people, so as of yesterday, I've begun watching this particular series called Disappeared, that is on the Discovery app. This show that has 5 seasons. I mean, it is based on real life stories of people who just go missing or vanishing, who just vanish, and mostly this is based in the states. So you'll have to download the Discovery app because the kind of shows there are, it'll blow your mind. Because I'll say this, yesterday I was feeling very low, and sometimes you feel sad for yourself for certain circumstances, situations. I don't see my child every day, but then of all the shows I happen to uh, on the Discovery app, this particular series called Disappeared, and then it brings home the fact that people who've been missing, uh, it's like their families are in a state of limbo. In fact, my mom used to say that even at least if a person passes away, they are in some other dimension, but if someone goes missing, that's it. It's the most unnerving feeling. So really, people do try and watch this series. It's called Disappeared, and it's on the Discovery Plus app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.